Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. I've got a question for you. Have you ever dated a high-maintenance woman? Or worse, are you dating one right now? To be clear, she's high maintenance if she's any or all of the following. She's excessively needy and demanding of your time and attention. She always plays the victim card. She almost never forgives your mistakes, no matter how tiny. She's constantly complaining. She blames you for nearly everything that goes wrong. She almost never lets you have any space for yourself. She never says sorry, even if it's her fault. So if the woman you're dating is any of the above, then yes, she's high maintenance, and that's never a good thing. No matter how much you try to please and appease a high-maintenance woman, she will never be satisfied. Instead, she'll just keep treating you badly by making you feel like crap and disrespecting you, until she gets tired and leaves you for another man. I'm not even kidding here. Now, here's something that may completely surprise you. High-maintenance women are not high-maintenance to everyone they meet. Instead, they're only high maintenance when they're with a weak, submissive pussy of a man. Why? Well, before I tell you the answer, there's something I want you to do for me. Could you help me out by clicking like? That will really mean a lot to me. Go on and click like now because I'll wait here. Clicked like? Great. Let's continue. The answer to that question has got to do with how women are wired in their brain. Because deep inside, every woman longs to submit to a strong, dominant man. The truth is that being dominated is the only way she can be truly happy in life. That's deeply embedded in the female psyche and will not change anytime soon. Believe me. Here's another thing you'll want to remember about women from now on. The female mind is flawed. And to understand women, you'll need to understand those flaws. When it comes to a high-maintenance woman, their main flaw is this. Pain is a much greater motivator than pleasure. In other words, high-maintenance women would go to much greater lengths to avoid pain than to pursue pleasure. And that, my friend, lies your keys to the kingdom. To turn a high-maintenance woman into a low-maintenance one, you'll need to inflict some emotional pain on her. By the way, it's not nearly as bad as it sounds, because while you'll be the source of that emotional pain, you'll also be relieving that pain for her. That relief is a super important part of the process. Now, you might be wondering, but wouldn't it be better if I didn't inflict pain in the first place? Quick answer, hell no. Instead, you'll need to understand the concepts of action limit and pain limit. A woman's action limit is basically the amount of investment she needs from a man before she does something for him. Here's an example. If a guy meets a girl and asks for her number, her action limit will dictate whether or not she'll give him her number. If her action limit is crazy supermodel level high, she might only give her number if the guy had celebrity level good looks, drove a Lambo, had superstar confidence, and other such high requirements. But if her action limit is low, she just might require him to not be ugly, not be dirt poor, at least be polite, and other low expectations. Simple, right? What I'm going to tell you next is important, so listen up. To tame a high-maintenance woman, you've got to lower her action limit. And here's how you can do that. By raising her pain limit. A woman's pain limit is the amount of emotional discomfort she feels. Her pain limit rises when you tease her, you criticize her, you reject her, you don't give her what she wants. And her pain limit falls when you're too courteous, you're too politically correct, you're too accommodating. You give her every damn thing she asks for. So remember this. When you raise a woman's pain limit, her action limit drops. You can raise your woman's pain limits by prioritizing your needs over hers, going out with your friends whenever you wanted without getting her permission, giving her orders, teasing her when she made silly mistakes, dismissing her tirades as harmless bratty outbursts, making her do things for you, countering her demands with demands of your own, answering back when she started acting up, just saying no. And every time she complies with your requests, relieve the emotional discomfort by giving her a dose of pleasure. You know what? What happens next will be like magic. She will start softening up, and she will go from simply complying with your requests and demands to following your lead and respecting your authority, to totally, completely submitting to your dominance in the relationship. Sounds good, right? Let's quickly recap. The key to turning a high maintenance woman into a lower maintenance one is to 1. Raise her pain limit. 2. Lower her action limit. 3. Make her give you what you want. 4. Reward her with pleasure. 5. Rinse and repeat until she's completely submissive to you. So far, so good. Look here, I won't kid you. It can be a challenge, especially if you're not used to inflicting pain on your woman. And yet you must understand that this is completely necessary if you want her to be happy. It won't be easy, and that's why you'll need all the help you can get. Here's the good news. Derek Rake's legendary online masterclass on mind control contains everything you need to know to use these mind control techniques to tame high maintenance women. After you sign up for Derek's masterclass, you'll know what mind control is and how to use it on women. A link will now come up in the video. Click it and the registration page for Derek Rake's online masterclass comes up. There, enter your best email address because that's where your masterclass ticket will be sent. Do it. Click on the link now.